this is one of those times for me.
Here it goes. Oh, you got it.
And then you just twist and then twist.
I'm gonna see how long. Turn sideways. Yeah, stick it out as long as yeah.
Pink colors, throw some colors. Pink colors. Pink colors, you're all pink. You're all pink. I'm not throwing it. Pink. See, guess what? You're dancing now. Why wouldn't you do Zumba today at the color run? You're always tired. You're all tired? Then you all get to go to bed. You're always tired. Ammon, guess what? Guess what? On December the 6th, right? Santa's coming! Santa! Santa! I know him. I know him. Ammon, Santa! Santa! Santa's coming! Yay! Santa's coming to December the 6th.
What are you looking at? What is it? Is it a helicopter over there? Zoom in. There's a big helicopter over here.
Hi, where are you going?
School.
You're going to school?
Yep.
Oh wow. It looks like you're gonna go run a marathon. You're not gonna take a backpack today?
Mm-mm.
What are you gonna take instead? Oh, the Tom's bag. What's in there?
My water bottle, my clothes, and also let me check it.
It looks like it looks like she's gonna go run the color run. But that's the outfit she wanted for today.
I got it.
Okay. Oh no! Don't take it out. We gotta go, babe. I just wanted to film you real quick because you're cute. Hi, baby. Where are we gonna go? Are you gonna take Mackenzie to school?
That's it. No, I don't know.
Oh, look at you in that hoodie. You look cute.
Mommy, I
Like, what are we gonna go see? You see Christmas stuff? Brindley, come.
That's Daddy.
That's for Daddy. You wanna go see Christmas stuff?
Yeah.
Let's go. We're in Lowe's. We're babysitting a friend today. We're babysitting Isaac for a little bit. Come on, Brindley. Wow! Brindley. Hi, Christmas.
Mommy! No! It's Mommy!
What do you see?
That's going SpongeBob.
Yeah. What do you see up there? Does it have snow? It has snow. I see Snoopy and Mr. Potato Head.
It's a ducky.
A ducky. That's a big ducky.
That's a potato guy.
A Mr.
Potato guy.
A potato guy?
Yeah, a ducky.
Oh, you're right.
He's right there.
Are you saying hi? Oh, he's waving to you, Brindley. Say hi. Hi.
Oh, he's waiting for me. Oh, Christmas guys. I like him.
You like him? Oh, push his foot. Push his foot. Push the button.
Whoa.
Wow. It's like, what is that?
That was cool.
You like it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's so big. It's called a nutcracker. You like Christmas stuff? Yeah? Hey guys, I don't think you're supposed to be in there. Okay, come on guys. Hey, Isaac, come on baby, you can't be in there. Come back out. Friendly, come out. You can't be in there, honey. Oh wow. How did you do that? Are you okay? Alright, Brindley, you come on out. You can only, you have to look.
Presents.
Wow, I know. I wasn't doing a good job. Watch your head, Brindley. Woo, you made it. I wasn't doing a good job. So I think this year, normally I go get our Christmas cards made at like, we go get pictures made and then I get it like turned into a card. And it gets kind of pricey because I send so many cards out. So this year I'm thinking about maybe just buying cards, taking a picture that we already have and making, like ordering like 50 copies of it from Costco. And just sticking a picture in with the card with like maybe like a family letter. I think I'm gonna do that. Oh, I love those. Oh my goodness. Ooh, I want those. I like those. The Santa. I want that. Honey, if you see that, I want it. I love that. So cute.
A Christmas statue guy.
A statue guy? Do you know who that is? Who is that, Isaac?
Santa.
Santa, yeah. Does Santa come to your house?
Yeah.
He comes to our house too.
Honey,
Really? No, you can't come in there. Just look.
she's being an elf. She's a
When I
builder.
found them, they were running around the tree.
Hey, you can't get inside there, crazy. Are you ready for Christmas?
Yeah. It's Halloween.
It's Halloween. This is Christmas, babe, not Halloween. Honey, what happened?
I forgot I had a fake tattoo on my leg.
Jess didn't even know it's that big too. Left over from the color run. Honey, I love you. You're so pretty. I just went up and said, "You make me," and then I touched her calf, and she was.
I was like, Mackenzie, Brindley wants that nutcracker.
Oh yeah.
She's afraid of it.
Yeah. That falls into the category of useless
We need to bring
junk.
our kids here. They'll be like,
They would. Brindley, do you want that nutcracker?
where's the nutcracker?
The big soldier up there?
Honey, I got
She has a buddy today. She has Isaac. No. You can't get in there.
Why do you want that one, Isaac?
There's really. You gonna put it in there? Put it right here. Right in there. Yep. All right, now to help you turn it. We gotta turn it. Help me. Oh. Turn it. All right, and then watch right here. Watch. Ready? You got purple. It matches your shirt.
Yeah.
Look at that. Best quarter spent today. Yeah, thanks.
Wow, we always get that one and the red one. Wow.
Yay! Mommy, you got a Christmas present?
Oh.
No? Mommy, you got a Christmas. Okay, Kenzie, you got a Christmas present. I wonder what it is. What a baby.
Oh.
No,
We got a new baby. A baby that eats oranges. Is that you? Oh, you're Brittany. Oh, Be careful. Be careful. You're going to knock each other over.
Kenzie, give me my box.
Daddy got a new toy. What did Daddy get?
Smoker.
He got a new smoker. So this year for Thanksgiving, he's gonna try to smoke a turkey. He's gonna try to do a turducken, which is a turkey with a duck inside, and then a chicken is inside the duck, I think. Something like that. What are you over there banging on?